This is what happens when you ask an AI to teach you a new skill in just 24 hours. It starts out by asking what you want to learn. I decided to choose web design because it's in demand. It's creative. And most importantly, I've never done it before. So it suggested 3 options: basic web design, creating digital art, and video editing. Well, first off, it provided me with some starter code, which is pretty cool. And then it gave me a list of steps to follow along with some example code snippets. At this point, I still didn't really understand what any of this meant, but hey, at least now I had something to work with. But it's not enough to just give me code snippets. I need to see them in action. That's why I asked it to give me some online resources, so I can actually build something. So it suggested some popular online platforms. I'll use one of them. And after 3 hours of following tutorials, writing code, and getting instant feedback from ChatGPT, I had built a simple landing page with a headline, an image, and a button. It looks okay, but it doesn't look very good. It's very basic. That's where CSS comes in. So I asked ChatGPT to give me some tips on how to style my web page using CSS. It provided me with some basic styles. It's things like setting the background color, text color, and adding some padding. With these styles applied, it already looks much better. But wait, I need to make this responsive. That means it should look good on all devices, especially mobile phones. Well, after looking at my code, it gave me some specific steps to make my web page more responsive. After implementing those steps, it looks pretty good. I'm no designer, but it actually looks pretty decent. So here's what I've learned. First, be prepared to learn the basics. You're not going to become an expert in 24 hours. Second, don't expect it to write the entire program for you. You still need to write the code yourself. Third, be ready to fail a lot. I hit a bunch of errors along the way, but it helped me debug them. Fourth, be patient. It takes time to learn. Fifth, have fun. Learning a new skill should be enjoyable. Okay, so let's check in. How far along am I in this 24-hour learning journey? Well, I started building my project around 3 hours ago, and now it's been about 6 hours. I've got some basic HTML and CSS down. I know how to structure a web page. I know how to add basic elements like images and text. Even know how to style them with CSS. But I'm not done yet. I want to see how far I can take this. So now it's been 12 hours. I've added more sections to my web page. I've made it look better. I've used different fonts. I've used different colors. I've even used some basic animations, starting to come together. I'm getting closer to finishing. The truth is, I wouldn't have been able to get this far without ChatGPT. It's been super helpful. It's been like having a personal tutor right there helping me through every step of the process. Now it's been 24 hours. Did I manage to learn web design in a day? Well, here's what I've got. Not bad, right? It's a simple website, but I actually did it, designed it, I coded it, and I made it look good. Am I a web developer now? No, not even close. But I'm not a complete beginner anymore either. Thanks to ChatGPT, I know the basics of HTML and CSS. I know how to structure a web page. I know how to add elements. I know how to style them, and I know how to make them responsive. So yes, ChatGPT did teach me web design in 24 hours. But let's be real, it wasn't easy. It took a lot of effort, a lot of time, and a lot of coffee. But hey, at least now I know where to start. Will I continue learning web design? Absolutely. Is it worth it? Can AI teach you anything in 24 hours? You bet. Now it's your turn. What skill do you want to learn in 24 hours? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.